Yes, everybody, big up yourself for coming inside the kitchen. What's happening right now? I got pumpkin, yam, dumpling, green banana. Yeah, man, good vibes I go on, and the pop people here, some hard food I go on. Alright, look at this, people. What kind of fish do you think this is? Alright, this is some salmon, people here. 24-hour kitchen. Cooking with Vingo Vision, people here. Good vibes. Oh, you can't make a meal without some planting, people. Good vibes. Alright, people. So normally I would show you the full meal, the full everything, but right now I just want to show you what's been happening inside the kitchen today. Look at this. Amazing yellowtail snapper, people, yeah. This is the yellowtail snapper cooked down with some okra, red onions, garlic, some long dumpling. Yeah, man, good vibes, people. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Vingo Vision. You're there. Everybody say if you really do like what you see, people, yeah, and you really are enjoying 24-hour kitchen, people, yeah, just subscribe. Yeah, man, just share with a friend or family. Good vibes. Yes, everybody, have a look at this. Good vibes, yeah? Alright. As you can see, the hard food pot is there at a completion. Some fried salmon, people, yeah? Fried plantain. Let me show you the last thing that's been done, people, yeah? Good vibes. Just wait there one second. Alright, so we had to do the baked chicken, people, underneath the oven, people. Yeah, man, good vibes, people, yeah? Alright, so yeah, man, today's episode was something simple. I just wanted to show you what actually happens behind the scenes, 24-hour kitchen, sometimes when you don't get an episode, but these are all going to be combined and be put into an episode, whether it's going to be for a subscription or for a live or for premiere, one of the three, people, yeah? So look out for the new videos them coming on 24-hour kitchen, people. We're going to be inside of the kitchen, outside in the environment, in the forest, people, yeah? Yeah, man, in the town center, in different towns, on the beach coast, people, yeah? On the seaside, people, yeah? So yeah, man, it's a good vibes 2023, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Vingo Vision. We're there. We're fully active inside of the kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and what? Subscribe. There. Where are we going to put it in?